I've got the Allure Beauty Box for the month of September. So if you want to see what's in here, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. You can see his curly tail. And Chloe's in here, but she doesn't want to be on screen, although she might end up on screen a little bit, but not to participate. Yeah, see, there she is. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. No, I'm sorry, it's not your bark box. I'm sorry. So this is a monthly box put together by the editors over at Allure magazine. And there's going to be some samples and some full size. Now there was a choice item, but it wouldn't let me choose when I clicked on when I went in to where you're supposed to go and to manage it, and it showed me, but it never allowed me to choose. So I guess they just made the choice for me because I didn't choose a color. So there is a little flyer. Their annual Best of Beauty Awards are coming. So they do have a Best of Beauty box that's available. I think it's like $69. And yes, sometimes if you wait though, because we're close to November, you can get that stuff for like dirt cheap. You can get that box for like dirt cheap. All right, there is a little sneak peek for you. And the first thing was that choice item by Nude Stick, and it's the Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush color. You could have gotten it in Sunset Strip, Naughty and Spice, or Picante, or the Nude Stick Nudies Bloom All Over Face Dewy color in Cherry Blossom Bay. So here were the color choices. And I got the Cherry Blossom Bay, which is okay because it's a dewy one, and I think that's the one I wanted to choose anyway. So there we go. There is how it looks on. And this is a $35 value. Just rubbed it in a little bit, and yeah, that's real pretty. I like that. Next, by Ren Skin Care, we have the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Fix, and this is a $51 value. And it says that it makes a difference in how under eyes look, but with consistent nightly use, it helps lessen both discoloration and puffiness, is what the editor says. And this is a full size. Next, from Beauty for Certain, we have the High Pigment Gloss in Diamond. So this is going to be a lip gloss. It's clear and glitzy. So you can't really see. I put it on right there. I can definitely see like the glitz in there. And this is a $22 value. Next is the Dear Midnight Atelier Lip Pencil in Stellar. So it's a pinky pencil, so it's a pinky color. All right, that glides right on. It's a pretty pink color. Next, we have our first sample, and this is the Vanilla Co. This is their Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm, and it is a K-Beauty cleansing balm, and it melts into an oil, it says. It's easily going to sweep away makeup, leaving skin softer in the process. So happy to give this a try. This is a 7 milliliter, the full size of 100 milliliters goes for $22. It's a great little size. Next, by Red Flower, is their cleansing hair wash in Palo Santo, and it says it's a sexy woody smell of Palo Santo, a South American tree, and it's the stuff of niche perfume heaven. So this is going to be a shampoo, and this is 40 milliliters, the full size of 300 milliliters, goes for $38. It's definitely a very musky scent. I don't know that I would enjoy it. And then last is a Dove Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. I got the turmeric milk and lemon drop. All right, you also could have gotten it in coconut milk and sugar, coconut milk and sugar lychee, oat milk and berry brulee. I would have preferred either of those to this, I think. But it doesn't smell bad. But I think the coconut milk and sugar lychee I would have really liked with a berry brulee scent.
Ooh,
yeah.
Me too. The coconut sounds good.
Smell bad though. It doesn't smell bad.
Oh, I still like that.
Yeah. And it's just a soap bar, and it is $5.99 in value. So I mean, I guess I could check out the others too. All right, that is my Allure beauty box. So tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product? Mine, easily this. Easily. And not because it's a makeup item. I just really love the color, and they got the right shade. So excited about that. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.